Hey everybody, it's Gina from AuntieGinasCucina. Tonight we made taco pizzas. Follow the recipe and you can see how quick and easy it is. Alright everybody, we're going to start with first, I have some olive oil in the pan. And I have about a pound of ground beef. And I have taco seasoning. And I have a half a cup of water. I'm going to cook the ground beef to make taco meat. And then I'll show you what it looks like and what the next step is. Okay, again, ground beef is almost done. Okay, I'm going by the seat of my pants tonight because I was going to cook something. I wasn't in the mood, so I figured let's try, because I looked in the cabinet and I've got everything here. I'm going to put, oops, wrong side, some taco spice, a little, it's like pretty much when you get the packages, you know? So just put the spice, add a little bit of water, and then let it cook down. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, like I said, this is what the meat looks like. It's just like when you make tacos. And I opened up the cabinet. I had no clue. And this is what I found, and this is what I came up with. Now, we are going to, these are flat taco shells. I am going to, these are refried beans. We're going to put some on this. Okay? So, you can spread it out as much or as little as you want. Let's use 2 spoons. It'll be a little better. So, okay? And then, whoops, put the meat on it. All right. And then cheese. And I have the oven on at 350 and just bake them until the cheese melts. And then I'll show you what to do next. Okay. Not even 5 minutes in the oven. All nice and done. And again, it's just like you would make. You just spread some sauce. Let's do the other one. All right. Now this is where you can do things your own way. Whatever you like. You can put onions, you can put sour cream. You can just put lettuce on it. But that's what cooking's all about. You tweak things your own way. So let me finish doing them and I'll show you what they look like when they're done.